Alright, we're gonna be removing the intercooler and intercooler piping, both upper and lower. So just get a look down there, up here. So first step, I have to take this bumper off, and then we'll continue the video taking off the piping. Alright, so far I took a clip from here, here, and here. That pops this off. I also removed the 10mm, it goes inside here, and then the 3 clips on this side. Same thing on the other side right here. 10mm and 3 clips from here. Now all is left. Just gotta take this 10mm, that 10mm, the one right in here. This one broke off, and this one broke off from last time, so I don't need to do anything there. And then just pop the front bumper off. Alright, front bumper is off. Naked. Alright, let's see what we gotta take out here. We got the lower pipe. Got the upper pipe. And the lower pipe continues from there into the throttle body. Okay, just a couple 10mm here and there. And what actually holds this, we got a mount right here, another mount right there. Alright, simple enough. Let's get to it. Alright, the upper intercooler pipe is off. I did pick up a used intercooler kit from this Evo that wanted to go back to stock. So I have the piping up here. This air filter is really dirty. I'm gonna get a new one of those. I got the couplings right here. I replaced this coupler with a different one because it was cracked. The piping is going down there. So I'm gonna bolt up the intercooler, put all the pipes together. I might get a tile. I think it's called like the tile cube. I might keep this one, I'm not sure, but we'll see. Alright, so right now I just put this bracket in. Had that repainted, had the intercooler repainted. Also cleaning out the blow-off valve. It's really stuck right now, so I let it sit for a while with EW40, see what happens. So I'm just gonna mount that on there. Has one right here, another hole right there. That's where that's supposed to go to. So let me just mount that and then I'll continue the video. Alright, so we just put this coupler right here, started putting the pipe. Now we're gonna connect the upper intercooler pipe onto there. Connect it to this pipe, and then go check out my blow-off valve. Hopefully it starts moving now, so I could just put it back on. It should be good to go there. Got that up. All this is tight. I might take the sticker off. I don't really like it. Sorry, I'm not a big fan of stickers, but I just finished putting this together, so that's all tight. Goes up to there. That kind of broke. Well, I got it broken, but not a big deal. That's all good there. Now you gotta do the other lower side and put it on the mountain areas and see how it all comes together. So alright, so I put the bumper back, and I think the car looks pretty mean like that. Put this cover back as well. But yeah, I think the car looks pretty nice.